Hello, how are you? Today we are going to look on computer application practical. This one is Craft certificate in ICT or information technology. It's specifically computer practical. I want us to go through the one having spreadsheet. The management of an organization intends to use a spreadsheet program to computerize the earnings generated by each truck and the commission paid to each truck driver between the months of January and March. We have truck drivers, truck number, Jan, Feb, March, grand total, driver commission. So open a spreadsheet program and key in the information. So we open. I want to key that information, so I can make two tabs here. So it is truck driver. Truck number, let me leave very fast. Jan, Feb, March. And then we have, can adjust the column with here. Harun, John, we have Ionia, Alois, we have Martin, we have Ernest. You can pause the video to just practice, there is no problem. KGT 123, KRY 345, KZZ 467, KUT 383, KGG 234, KGG 234, and then we have KLM 123. There's a name it seems I've forgotten. Here is, let me copy this one first and paste from here. I've just made a mistake. These truck drivers, like that. January is 35,700, 33,000, 45,000, 45,200, 32,000, 14,500. Then for Feb, 43,500, 25,000, 18,000, 33,000, and then you have 12,000, 23,400. March 23,000, 21,000, 17,000, 22,000, 23,000, then 14,500. Then we have grand totals here. I refer to it as grand totals, and then drivers commission. So I adjust the column with here. Like that. So you can read the question now. I've copied, and then information sheet 1 as it appears. Save the workbook as track earn. So this one I just come here to save file, save as track what? It is called track earn. Save as this piece. I should save my work in desktop. Track earn. That is the name. So I usually save my work in desktop. So you can continue now with the question. Let me close this tab first. So perform each of the following sheet 1. Insert a row above row 1. So row 1, when you want to insert a row, right click here, the row, then insert. It automatically be inserted. Then merge and center cells A1 to F1. So you're supposed to merge and center A1 to F1 here. So you're supposed to merge, then center. Let us continue the question. Key in the text track and driver earning. So I just simply type here tracks and driver earnings, like that. Track and driver earnings in the merge cells. Use a function and cell address to only compute grand total for each track. Grand total for each track. Function, not a sum, is equals to sum. Open your bracket from C1, place there colon 2, E3. Just close your bracket, press enter, and then you drag downwards. Very simple. And then the commission for each track based on the following criteria: less than or equal to 700 is 5% commission, greater than 700,000 is 10% commission. So this one is equals to, if open your bracket, this one is greater than or equal to 700,000, comma. So the one that having 700,000 is 10% commission, it will be 10% multiplied by this cell, that is F3, or else it will be 5% multiplied by this cell. Then you close your bracket, press enter. So you can see in the formula bar the function that I used. Then I drag downwards like that. Then the next question: create an embedded bar graph that compares the earning of all tracks for the 3 months and insert the chart title as track earning. So we have what? Create an embedded bar graph that compares the earning of all tracks for the 3 months. 3 track for the 3 months. So I want this one and this one. Insert a chart. Is it a bar or a column? We can check. An embedded bar graph. Bar. Can use this one. After insert, you're supposed to do it. Insert the chart title as track earnings. Earnings. And then what else? Save the changes to print out the worksheet. Supposed to save. Let me move this one to a new chart to a new worksheet. This is what it will be called track earnings. You simply type here track earnings. Very simple, like that. So this one I can edit, can still enlarge it in order to be visible, like that. Thank you for being my audience. Subscribe for more.